Hi, we are at Sanshinji in Bloomington, Indiana. We did live last time about Kiku-san's Okesa project. That it's 7 panels, Chosoku, a bird feed stitch Okesa. This is an ancient tradition from India, from Buddha's time, that hand sewing, the Buddhist robe called Okesa. And we've been practicing this sewing for a long time. Now she had done putting all the 7 panels together. This is really thin material, and the stitch doesn't really show because I recommended her to use the same color, almost same color thread with the fabric. I don't know if you can see the stitch, like here. Oh, it's actually, it's from this way. いや、どうかな？光反射しちゃいますね。It's really hard to see, I guess. But you take a close look, and these are the bird feet shaped stitch like this, and then let's see, ちょっと遠くからちょっとね、こっちだな。Now the one panel consists of 2 long piece and 1 short piece. I don't know if you can see this well. And then there are 7 panels all together. It's called 7-jo Okesa. And right now she's putting a fabric glue to take care of the frills that at the cut edge. This is a very thin material, so it's tricky to handle. So
Fray check.
Yep.
Stop spraying.
Fray check. And you need to wait until it's dry, right? Yeah. And after, so she's going to put borders all around the edge of Okesa. Right now it's just a cut edge like this, and then 7 panels just put together like this. And then about 1.5 inches with borders all around the 4 sides of the edge. I call it N, the border. Like, you're gonna put the glue all around?
Well, I put already some of them.
Right, and I started to fray again.
Some of them I haven't done
Oh, I see.
all of them yet, so just there's something, it seems like it's getting more and more.
Yeah.
As you,
Right. Again, this is a thin material, so it's really tricky.
Yeah, you used to have like at least like a 1/4 inch the seam line, but now it seems like 1/8 or something.
Right.
Oops.
Oops.
1 centimeter のりしろ。
縫い代 seam allowance.
Seam allowance.
Yeah, we in general we use inches, I mean, like the sewing instruction book by Tomoe category. I think she has a conversion chart from
Inch to
Japanese,
centimeter?
actually traditional, the sun and bu to centimeter, and then to inches. Just, I guess, as a reference. But then, she mainly used the inches. So I've been following that instruction book. But originally, we use centimeter. in Japan.
So Tomoe-san used centimeter before?
I think she was using bu. When she was taught at Kaizenji by Yoshida Roshi, I think they were using bu.
Sun and bu?
Bu, yeah. I showed you the instruction from Okamoto Sensei. Remember that? That's actually sun and bu, the Japanese old system of measurement. So and I found out Con France, he's been using sun and bu, yeah, because that's what they did at the Zuyoji, the monastery in Japan. Our dumb friend Con France from Canada, he practiced at Zuyoji, the monastery in Japan, and where
Yoji is in Kyoto?
Shikoku Zuyoji is in Shikoku, and they practice this sewing okesa a lot at the monastery, which is kind of rare, even at the Antaiji, it wasn't encouraged that much at Zuyoji. Some monks at Antaiji liked sewing, so some of them did it by themselves.
The monks who doesn't sew okesa at Antaiji, do they buy them?
No, there's like a group, that's Fukudenkai, backing sewing, okesa sewing group. Fukudenkai always supplied, like lots of okesas, like for monks and for Antaiji. So that's the source of the okesa, Nyohoe from Fukudenkai, the sewing group. Yep. So it's still very rare in Japan, the practice of sewing your own okesa. So this is the material, very thin, and she's going to mark and cut like 1.5 inches and with half an inch seam allowance, I think. So 2.5 inches with the lengths of these 4 sides. So like a skinny strips like this for to attach to the sides of this 7 panels okesa. Okay. So I added a link to Kiku-san's fundraiser, GoFundMe link. Please contribute to support her sewing apprenticeship at Sanshinji. Yes, it's been really great though. After we started, like a live feed, last time, she got lots of contribution. So thank you very much for those who already did contribute, and then please keep giving her support.
And then share the link.
Yeah. Please share the link too, or article. My article I wrote, or she wrote on Facebook. That would be a great help too. So please, and I think I'll do. We'll do the live again when she started to put the border, I think. Yeah, that'll be, and then the corner will be an interesting thing to broadcast. This is an ancient tradition of hand sewing Okesa, the Buddha's robe. So it's gonna be interesting to watch for those of you who don't know about Okesa, and also for some people have been sewing Okesa in this country, in the U.S. and Europe, and then of course Japan. But for those who has done that, also may be interested, because this is a particular stitch, the bird feet stitch, Okesa, Chosoku we call it. I think last live feed I did show you the she has this is a sample, like a practice piece. I did show the diagram also. This is kind of, I don't know if you can see it a little bit. this piece done with the lighter thread, lighter color thread, so it's a little easier to see that. Anyway, so this is like a design of a bird feet. So that's the one that she's been, sewing in. We're gonna do more left feet when she get to the border, actually attaching the border. So stay tuned and then please contribute.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.